Hello viewers, this is Samuel, the Wizard Guy, and today's video we are going to learn how to fill effects in our page. Fill effects, it's under design, the section for page background. Click page color, then you have what? Fill effects. Shall click on fill effects. So under fill effects we go to gradient. Under gradient we have colors. We can fill effects in our pages using gradients and then with coloring. So we have colors. We can use one color, we can use two colors, or we can use present. So I'll choose one color. So when I click one color, it will give us an option here for selecting the colors to apply into our page. So we click on the color, then we select the color that we want. Under transparency, you can see it is inactive. Then we have shading styles. Under shading styles, we have horizontal, vertical, diagonal down, from corner, from center, then the direction of our gradients. So here we have the directions of our gradients and the variants. So we have the sample here. So we have only one color. Let's click OK. So when you click OK, you can see our page is looking so nice with the effects for gradient. Let's go back. We go back to page layout, page color, fill effects. So we have two colors. We can click on two colors. Then we select the colors from here. Maybe your first color is red. Then the second color is maybe blue. And shading styles, we can give it from corner like that, as you can see in the preview sections. So we click OK. You can see how your page looks so good. So we have mixed two colors, red and blue. So let's go back to page color. We'll go to fill effects. Under gradient, so we have also present. We can also use these presents to design our page. So we click on the present, either let's set, or we can have it as nightfall, or we can have it as daybreak, or we can have it as horizon. Then the shading, we can have it maybe from center, you can see. Then you click OK. So these are effects that we can apply within our document to look so attractive. So let's go back and we choose another style. So we have under page present colors, we have desert, then we have late night. Let's go with early sunset. Early sunset, then we go to maybe from center. Wow, our page is looking so nice. So you can see we have our effects being applied well onto our page. But make sure you change the font color of your text if you apply the effects with the gradients. Make sure you select the font color that matches with the background style, because when you have a black font color black, it won't match well with the behind background. So we can change the font color to maybe white. White might go well with that white background color. So that's how you apply effects of gradients in your document.